When you're using ChatGPT, there are a few simple best practices that make a big difference, both for safety and for getting better results. First up, don't use real names or sensitive details. If you're working through an example or asking for help, swap out real people, real clients, and real companies for placeholders like person A, client X, or random letters and numbers. You'll still get the help you need, but without risking private or confidential information. Along the same lines, be careful with file uploads. Before uploading anything, take a quick look and ask yourself, would I be okay sharing this more widely? If it contains personal data, internal documents, or anything confidential, either don't upload it or remove and anonymize those parts first. Another good habit is to treat ChatGPT as a draft buddy, not the final word. It's great for brainstorming, summarizing, rewriting, or getting you unstuck. But it's still very important to review what it gives you, sense check it, and make sure it's accurate and appropriate for your situation. Also, how you talk to it matters. Clear, specific prompts usually get better answers. If the response isn't quite right, don't be afraid to tweak your question or add more context, without sharing sensitive details, of course. And finally, use ChatGPT to support your thinking, not replace it. It's a very powerful tool for saving time and boosting productivity, but the judgment, decisions, and responsibility still sit with you. If you keep these tips in mind, you'll get more value out of ChatGPT while using it safely and responsibly. Catch you next time. If this video helped make your day a little easier, we'd love it if you gave it a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on simple, practical tech tips, handy tricks, and easy to understand cybersecurity advice to help keep you safe online. We share new videos every week to make tech tips less confusing and a lot more manageable. So click right here to keep learning with us. Thanks for watching, and let's keep making tech simple and safe together. I'll see you in the next one.